round, clear bets, man. Rock for the lowest going. You same as stock set about buy, sell, just clear. No, core stock, clear. My staff first, okay, but it's and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Keep that time for the lightning round. Let's start with Gabe in Texas. Gabe.
Booyah, Mr. Cramer. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Booyah. Gabe, what's up?
I'm an 18-year-old kid in Dallas, and I would just like to give a quick shout-out to Grandpa Jim. He recommended your show to me, and he also paid for a Barron subscription.
Infer and recommend. Thank you.
Yes. I have a quick question about Vistra. So it took a high at about 105, and now it is down into the 80s. Is this stock still a buy?
Well, it's a momentum stock, and momentum stocks can't really withstand that kind of drop. That said, I do think that it's the sweet spot of the energy market. I prefer Constellation. Let's go to Tom in Florida. Tom.
Hey, Jim, thank you for taking my call. I want to wish you a happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it. What's up, Tom?
Thank you. Hey, I'm calling you regarding one of the heaviest shorted stocks out there. And it appears based on recent news, its protein-based COVID shot may have fewer side effects than its competitors. I've been buying Novavax, symbol NVAX, on the dips.
No, you're not going to get me in that one. Look, I know that anything COVID is not really making a lot of money for people. I do believe that was a very lucky break for them, but it's not going to get me in that stock. It lost too much money for people. Bad feel. Let's go to Arden in Indiana. Arden.
Hi, Mr. Cramer. Thanks for taking my call.
Well, thank you.
I'm wondering about Twilio. I have 75% loss on an investment I made a couple years back.
Yeah.
There
was a really bad note today out about Twilio saying that that business is not good and that the consumer could actually tank them. A pulled back consumer. I still can't recommend Twilio. It is shocking to watch that company just kind of sadly. I don't know. I mean, disintegrate's too strong a word, but wow. Let's go to Paul in Michigan. Paul.
How you doing, Jim?
I am doing. Chillman's doing well. How about you?
Hey, happy Friday. I just want to give you a shout out about your garden pictures on X. Very impressive, man.
Well,
very impressive.
You know, you're going to see a dramatic spurt in growth because we've had some really good weather. But I'm not going to do as much close. I'm not going to do that time-lapse photography I did last year, but I'll still do plenty. What's going on?
It's great to see. Hey, speaking of green, I got one for you. H.B. Fuller, F-U-L.
You know, look, I am, believe it or not, a market, and, this is the kind of thing. This is literally adhesives. Nordson, think that. And I think it's a great little industrial company. It's been around forever. You should buy it. You should buy it. I think it's terrific. And I welcome on the show. Let's go to Tom in Washington. Tom.
Thanks, Jim. Appreciate the opportunity.
Of
Jim,
course.
I'm down 50%. We hit a 52-week low today. Do I hold, sell, or buy more Unity software?
Man, I'm telling you, that is just a falling knife, and you are not a butcher block from the description. I'm going to imagine you from that voice. You do not look like a butcher block, so I'm going to say, let's stay away. Why don't we go to Perry in Louisiana? Perry.
Hi, Jim. This is Perry.
You bet.
First of all, I want to tell you thank you for everything that you've done for me as a retired soldier, and I want to give you one big New Orleans boo-dat.
Holy cow.
Booyah.
Oh, my God. Well, that is just massive and just made my whole weekend. I'm going to actually live on that for the next 8 days. What's happening?
All right, Jim. My portfolio is on 100 because of in the value sectors, but I'm looking for a little dividend, a little value dividend play.
Okay.
Russell 2000 with the way that markets are working. So I wanted to know, is the dividend safe in Ardagh Metal Packaging, AMBT?
Wow. You just stumped the chump. I do not know that one. Ardagh Metal Packaging. Ardagh, I got to ask Regina Gilbin that she's not here today. I got to come back on that one. Thank you for the kind words, but that one is, whoa, you stumped me. Woo! Let's go to Sheldon in New York. Sheldon.
Hey, Jim, TGIF. I got a stock that's driving me crazy.
Okay.
They have a good earnings report, goes up for the week. Within a week, it's down past what it was to start with. Down 5% today on no news. And I know you've done this stock before, SoFi. I got to know your long-term opinion.
Okay, I saw Anthony Noto just bought some stock. That does help. I bought $200,000. Well, I wish he bought more. Maybe you should buy more. But right now, that last quarter was not great. I just didn't like it, and I'm going to have to wait. And that, ladies and gentlemen, of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.